Hello, my name is Lily Hevesh, and welcome to my home and Domino's studio. Today, Good Housekeeping has asked me to take you on a tour of my Domino storage area so you get to see all of the fun ways I organize my thousands and thousands of Dominoes. So this space is pretty DIY. I don't have a lot of fancy shelves or anything. It's just pretty basic stuff that was already in the house. And I don't like keeping the Dominoes on shelves. I like just stacking them up because it makes better use of the space. It doesn't have a lot of extra equipment to hold things that take up space. And this way, you'll see here, all of the Dominoes are really easy to access. All I need to do is walk into the area and pick up a bin. And all of the bins on the top don't have any lids. That's just so it's really easy for me to take a bin and start building. It's not necessary to have the container on the actual lid if I'm gonna be building with it, because then it just gets in the way. So yeah, I prefer to have them all stacked up. They're organized by color, and I'm using a lot of these Sterilite bins. These are 18-quart containers, and they can hold about 1,000 Dominoes per bin, as well as, I believe these are 15-quart containers, which hold about 800 Dominoes. So if you add all of this up, all of these Dominoes in here, I have over 100,000 Dominoes. Pretty wild. So my favorite thing is containers. I have all different size containers holding Dominoes or accessories or anything that I use with my Domino projects. So here's the range of the size of containers. We've got the 100 Domino container, we've got the 800 Domino container, the 1,000 Domino container. We've got these giant containers for larger planks. I even use cardboard boxes to store things. And then we have some bookshelves here. These are just really easy ways to organize smaller objects. And then I also have more containers inside the bookshelves to store all of these accessories and toys. I do tend to stack a lot of things on top of each other just to, make the best use of the space. I probably could get some more shelves, but to be quite honest, I don't know if I'd be able to reach that tall, so I just stack them up. So I think my biggest pet peeve is that I'm using different types of containers to hold my Dominoes, because before I found the right container, I used these older containers, but now I'm using better containers with latching handles, which make it a lot easier to store Dominoes and transport them without everything breaking and falling apart. So I wish I could standardize all the containers. I should probably get some more. But yeah, I think this part of the room, with all of the Dominoes here, is probably my favorite section, just because it's so easy to just walk into the room and grab some Dominoes, right? You just walk in, everything is right here. Every color, it's sorted so nicely. It just looks visually appealing, and everything you need, it's just right there. It's like a red carpet, I think the biggest challenge for me in terms of staying organized is when I'm making a Domino project, I get real messy, and I'll throw Dominoes, or not throw Dominoes, I'll take a bin and put it to the side and just use what I need, and then there's random bins filled with random colored Dominoes everywhere in this room. So during the middle of a project, it gets very messy, and I think that's just a matter of me needing to clean up while I'm building. But I'm so focused on building that I'm I don't really want to clean up right now. I just want to focus on what I need to do. But for the most part, afterwards I do enjoy organizing things. I do sort of want to make I do sort of want to revamp the Domino storage area and maybe elevate it in some way. I'm not sure exactly. Maybe some more shelving, or maybe some better containers and larger containers, but we will see in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to Good Housekeeping, and make sure to check out my documentary, Lily Topples the World, which is streaming now on Discovery+.